Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We have another tune-up report on the Galaxy 98 VHP. This one is for Will in Pennsylvania. Okay, we'll start on AM. Power all the way down, and then ask for an amp switch in the back. So we're going to turn that switch down, and AM. So this should be real low here. 10 watts on the top scale. You see we're about 3/4 of 1 watt, just below 1. If I turn the power all the way up, get about 5. 5 with a peak of, here's 50 in the middle scale. Audio, check, right about 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio. Okay, and then on the sideband, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio, check, about 44 there. Okay, so let's throw the amp switch on in the back, take this out, and put this in. This is a 500 slug. Then start on 1, and our power all the way down to about 6. All the way down, just below 6. Now I'm going to go up 2 scales to the 100 scale. Rotate the knob all the way to the right. We get 60. Peak power on the 500 slug. There's 200 right there. Audio, check, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, check, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're gonna go to sideband. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio, check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 250 there. Alright, from low all the way to high, I guess, it sounded like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That sounds good. Okay. Going down for radio check. Appreciate it, driver. Thank you.